This is a quick video to show you how to sign up for Twitter. You'll see that I've gone to twitter.com. It adds slash or dash, slash explore, but really just need to go to twitter.com. You're going to click on sign up. You're going to put in a name and an email address. And your date of birth. I'm going to uncheck that. That's up to you. That's neither here nor there. Okay, I'm going to sign up. So now you should go check your email. So here I have my confirmation email, my Gmail, and it all looks good. This is my code. I'm going to copy that. Oh my goodness, get to see all the troubles. Okay, so I pasted in my verification code. I'm going to click next. I need to come up with a password. And I'm going to skip that for now. I'm going to skip that for now. I'm not going to do that. I don't even have to do this. So all of those things were done to try to help you find people to follow on Twitter. You can certainly do that, but I would recommend that you, there are a few organizations that you could follow on your own and not necessarily get into all the things that are part of pop culture. I don't like notifications. So here's my Twitter account. This is what I am by default, which is a great Twitter name. And now I can start tweeting. And if I wanted to look up a hashtag, literacy lifts NYC, and I can choose the latest. And if I like this, I might want to follow them. So first of all, you can just retweet them. But you can, and now that's gone out from you as a tweet. But you can also follow this organization. And as you scroll down, you'll see other people. And you want to be careful. These are videos that are promoted, or these are tweets that have been promoted, which means that they're advertising. So you can ignore those. Scroll down and find some other folks who've done some good tweeting out. So again, I might want to follow Maria, and I might want to retweet her. All right. And there you have it. And now you're on Twitter.